Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our new products on my right hand. For the single compartments, the Proctor sinks. Now we can see the manufacturer offer the accessories, the soap dispensers, and this paper towel dispenser too. And pre-install the faucets coming with a hot water and cold water connections, and NSF sanitation sticker on the units. The entire unit is made by the stainless steels. Let me give you the overall sizes. The unit's length is about like 24 inches wide, and the depth of the unit is about like 21 and 1/4 inches. And the overall height of the unit is about like 44.5 inches tall. Now we can take closer to see the compartment sinks. This single compartments, you can see they have a splash bar on the side to cover the dirt. And these sinks will be 12.5 inches long and almost like 10 inches wide, about like 5 inches deep. Now we can see they have a lockers at front. Twist it and we can open. We can see inner side. We see that this is the heaters, clear waters, and dirty water tanks. Also, they're having the units using the standard 110 plugs, so they have a small hole at the behinds for you to easily connect with any outage or any power generators. This will be the all demonstration information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.